A duck? Act like a cat, Abby. Adam says act like a cat. Driving a truck. Okay, that's the next page. Drive a truck. Okay, what's the next page?
A duck.
A duck? Okay, be a duck. Abby, you gotta be a duck. Okay, she forgot how. What's next? Okay, eat your cake. Okay, eat your cakes. Eat your cakes. Okay, she forgot. What's next? What's next on that page? Skip that page. What is that page? A sheep says bah. Oh, you gotta pretend to go night-nights. Good night. That's the funniest falling asleep I've ever seen.